day everyone, my name is Mariel Gadil and I will be your presenter for today. Today I will going to discuss about the Agile, computer-aided software engineering tools and free open source software. So Agile, definition, Agile method is different from other approaches to software development since it focuses on the people doing the work and how they work together. Solution involved through collaboration between self-organizing cross teams utilizing the appropriate practices for their context. Scrum is an agile strategy that emphasizes collaboration, team autonomy, or self-management and flexibility to adapt to emerging business realities. And Scrum practices allow teams to self-manage, learn from experience, and adapt to change. There are three foundational concept po ng Scrum. The first one is the transparency. According to the Scrum Guide, the emergent process and work must be visible to those performing the work as well as those receiving the work. So it means that every part of the process should be clear as day for everybody on the Scrum team. Transparency allows each team member to track and understand what's really go in each sprint and what the plan is, what the process is, and what the planned input and outcome are. The second one is the inspection. The Scrum artifacts and the progress towards agreed goals must be inspected frequently and diligently to detect potential undesirable variances or problems. Inspection is done by everyone involved in the project, though it should be supported by the Scrum Master. So, collaborating with the team in all aspects of the process, together they diagnose any unplanned deviation from the sprint plan and create opportunities to review them. So, every Scrum event should be used for inspection. So, um, the Scrum Master po, the Scrum Master is the Agile Servant Leader Project Manager who facilitates the work performed by the Scrum team. So, this leader is responsible for removing barriers and obstacles so the task may be completed for the team to achieve its goals. The third one po is the adaptation. So, if any aspect of process deviate outside acceptable limits or if the resulting product is unacceptable, the process being applied of the materials being produced must be adjusted. So, according to the Scrum Guide po yan. Then, as you can see, all the foundational Scrum are inseparable and strictly connected. So you can have one without the others. Next topic is the computer aided software engineering tools. So case is the scientific application of the set of tools and methods to a software system. Case tools have many advantages including decreasing development time and producing more flexible systems. So it can document a database, design and provide um, invaluable help in maintaining the consistency of a design. The various type of tools can be referred to as uppercase or lowercase tools. The uppercase tools support the analysis and design phases, whereas the lowercase naman po is nagsosupport sa implementation. The two example of case tools are visible analysis and rational rows. Visible analysis supports structured and object-oriented design, while the rational rows can support complete code for C++ and Java. So the next is the pre-source software. Pre-source software has been successfully adopted across a wide range of different areas and has often new ways of value creation. So there are numerous terms used including free, which refers to the freedom to use something not for free of charge. So the livre, which is the French translation of free freedom, and it's prepared by some writers to avoid the ambiguous reference for free or charge. The next is open source software. Open source software is essential for CDLC and IT professionals, allowing them to modify, apply, reconstruct, and restructure existing libraries. Open source software, which focuses more on the freedom to access the sources than the freedom to redistribute something. So, as the differences are not significant in practice, more and more academics are using the word plus to describe the entire movement. The last is the interoperability, which is the ability to share information across organizations, will remain paramount under the HITECH Act. So these various types of organization are working to support the development of systems that can seamless exchange and use health data. So few healthcare systems take advantage of the full potential of the current state of the art in computer science and health informatics.